This is the Unidentified Trucker, UT. So we came over here to get a closer look at this trailer stand. That's the old dog right there. I guess you can't show the old dog new tricks, you have to modify it. So basically what this does is to give support to the front nose of the trailer in the event that the landing gear goes out or if the legs get destroyed based off the movement or the friction and everything else. And the winding handle is right here, and you pretty much have something similar like that for the landing gears on the side of the trailers, but ultimately this should be raised up a little bit more, basically somewhat kissing underneath the bottom of the frame, and the wheels will be more elevated off the ground. So that's the purpose of this, and this is the upgrade version. So hopefully you enjoy this quick video.